Hey, is annoying me.
Yeah.
It's good
We're like a minute behind. Keep an eye on the switches.
stuff. Keep an eye on the cat.
I am.
Is very much in it for himself.
It doesn't take 2 seconds just to say thank you.
Oh, Kenny looks different with the... Oh my
Can
god! Thomas has gone for a gothic look.
I just have a quick word with you for a
Can I have a quick word? That's like something someone says at
He's
work.
not the manager! Oh, since the mining task.
Is he going to do someone's appraisal?
I just seem like they're playing a little bit of a game.
Oh, the gym.
Whatever.
Ha.
But so much shit.
You're the most unstable person in here.
Ha.
Oh!
Everyone see this. Guys,
Agree.
I'm the most unstable person.
I want to express my opinions and I'll do so. You're a hypocrite.
Ooh.
You see with nothing but the fucked up things inside.
Yes.
I'm already fucked up. I know I am. I'm proud. I like being crazy.
Nah.
Maybe the fire exit.
What?
Oh, I'm going to hit the fire exit.
Good!
Stop threatening
Please
it and
do.
just go. I like Lewis all angry and worked up in the diary room. It's fun. And I
It is good diary.
I liked it when he was saved and he was in the diary room like that. He was like,
I haven't seen
he
that.
was bawling. He was
Um,
like,
It is good that he's using the diary room for its purpose.
yeah. He's a good diary room merchant.
Today is nominations day.
Doo, doo,
There's a good tune at the start, isn't there?
doo, doo, doo.
It's new millennial Big Brother.
What's don't know is that the viewers have been secretly voting for their
Oh,
favourite
see, you missed it.
I didn't know. I was
with the fewest votes.
too busy earning that dollar.
Two people with the fewest votes get put on the block.
Two?
This week's nominees
Who
The
has-
double eviction.
I don't know.
Yesterday, during the auction, Akeem bought a gym pass for himself.
Give it to Isaac because he's a toady.
Yeah, he shouldn't, should he?
Yeah,
Because the- I
Toady.
don't like him.
Should have given Thomas the gym pass.
Thomas was bidding for it, huh? I thought that was good strategy because he was depleting Akeem's total.
Ah,
And he was
nice.
Akeem was gonna win it regardless.
Yeah. Look at this. Ugh.
That's what I do in the gym.
I
like that,
don't-
just like that, topless.
I don't-
No, don't.
I like Thomas' hair.
Looks good.
Ogling the men. I don't like all this showing off. It doesn't do it for me.
They're not showing off. They're working out.
It's showing off as far as I'm concerned.
not.
It is. I don't like it.
It's probably hot in
Why
there.
they all got their top off?
Akeem hasn't. Do you prefer him?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well,
Look at Thomas lifting the cushions.
that's me. That's me. You're Isaac and I'm Thomas.
That was good. Thomas can stay.
Anyone who hates Thomas, get out. There, I got those little monkeys on my Facebook
Some of
page.
the housemates.
The
I put
emoji.
them on my header. No,
Oh.
I took a picture of that.
Not sure what I'm doing really.
Good, fuck off. What's she doing?
I'm not quite sure what to do.
Attention seeking?
What to do? I'm becoming more relaxed. I just want to announce it.
She is so bugging.
I'm coming to
Oi!
terms
What's wrong with that
with
cat?
everything.
I don't know.
That you're in the big
Probably pissed off that you said you want to fucking eat him.
Last week I said it, the Croydon cat killer should get him.
Hey!
Off, simple as that. Off. He's off a fucking beam.
Off her beam. At least she ain't flicking her beam. That sounds like the sort of thing Isaac would say. What's she doing? Oh, she's so annoying. Do you know who she reminds me of?
Cindy with an S.
Yes.
No.
Oh,
Roxanne.
Clown around.
really?
Yeah.
That level of unhinged.
Not that level, but
Zoe
on the
is
same
talking to Kean
roadmap.
about Isaac's reaction to housemates stealing his coins in yesterday's task.
Her eyebrows.
It's not.
She's drawn with the ruler.
He was so really wrong.
No, they would be straight.
Sharpie.
They'd be straight if she'd done it with a
No,
ruler.
but they've got very sharp edges.
Don't know, was it
seem like he's not, but
marker
I'm
pen?
telling you, it was fucking.
Yeah, and you accept that you didn't take any of ours.
I didn't take any of mine, so I took them off here.
I don't get it then.
Nominations day, bruv. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think I can call it this week. So do I.
Cameron's so tall. He's tall as a
Yeah,
ball.
I know.
Who's you call?
I can't say, unfortunately.
Look at him pot stirrer. Stirring two pots at the same time.
That's what I say. I know who I'm doing.
I bet you
I know
fucking
who
do.
I'm- yeah.
Two women. Bet you. Cameron, two women. Bet you. Bet you. Bet you. Bet you. You won't take that bet because you know you'll lose.
I don't give a fuck. Is that the same cock that Ryan and
12:44
Kirsty had in the White House?
PM. Thomas
Probably, yeah.
is talking to Cameron about Akeem.
Thomas's hair.
Too small. For me and him.
What?
No idea.
So he has to go or I have to go.
Either he has to go or I have to go.
Because as Lewis is
Akeem or
on
Thomas.
our wall, everyone's very subtle.
Good edit of Akeem looking like a dick in the background.
What's that?
Thomas eating a biscuit in the bathroom. That's uncivilised. I don't agree with eating in the bathroom.
Lewis has come to see
Better than
Big
toilet.
Brother.
Lewis, see, they're just calling him Lewis
Come in here
there.
and take
Just
me
on the
more so I can
voiceover.
show you my new games. Do you think about that?
Oh, fucking
Oh,
hell.
hello.
Can I
Ugh.
see a Big Brother?
I don't like that though. It makes me feel sick.
I thought I had a body almost as good as his, but fucking hell, his biceps are huge.
I've trapped a nerve. I'm so happy.
I would much prefer him
Trapped in
if
there.
he didn't have those
Come in now.
muscles.
Peacock a little bit. Maybe I'm an narcissist. Oh, I'm so happy.
Perhaps the psychologist told you he was a narcissist as well.
Right now.
I would prefer him if he was skinny. I don't like those muscles. They freak me out. I feel like they're going to pop out your body.
But only when he flexes them.
Oh, I don't like it though. It freaks me out.
Akeem and stuff like that. It's just,
Do you know what I don't like?
Yeah.
Those IKEA cups. They break me out of the magic of Big Brother because I recognise them from IKEA.
The magic, the mystery.
Yeah.
all the fucking time.
I know he's going after
Who's on the
Akeem, that's
fence?
fine. If he doesn't like him, fine. But
Thomas.
Akeem's not coming after him.
Thomas ain't on the fence.
looks completely one-sided.
You know, if he thinks so, I'm fine. Nominate him later today.
Akeem's struggling with 10 kgs. That's embarrassing.
So at this moment in time, I don't think anyone in here feels extremely strongly to do so.
I don't know about gym things. That's your area.
That is light for bicep curls.
What?
Look, our badger should be wearing a top hat like it, and we're eating a shepherd's pie.
2:22 p.m.
Chess set is rickety.
All of the housemates
I like that
have
monkey
gathered
lamp.
in the living room
And those
for
little
this
tables.
week's nominations.
Oh, cool. So now we get some action.
It always kicks off when they're held in the room, doesn't it?
Thomas. Who will Akeem do? Let's predict. Isaac?
And Thomas. Does he know Thomas is out for him?
I don't know. Yeah, that's my best. That's the good best guess. I can't top
Here we
it.
go.
Hello, Akeem.
Hello, Big Brother.
Could you give the name of your first nomination and explain your reasons for this nomination?
What accent is that?
My first nomination is going to be Isaac. I think he
Isaac.
definitely has a problem with me.
Do you
He
think?
says that.
Well
In
done.
terms of the coins that I had, he thinks I was being a bit selfish. He hasn't said that word for word. I think he's slightly ungrateful, if I'm honest. The gym, I bought that.
I
Son, you're wicked, well done.
Fuck
I don't want
that.
But I think mayonnaise is quite a crucial part in a day-to-day life.
He's trying to buy
And
his
it doesn't take 2
affection.
seconds just to say thank you.
He did say
That's the
thank
reason for
you.
my first
When he
nomination.
gave it to him, he just said thank you.
Could you give the name of your second nomination and explain your reasons for
think
this
she's
nomination?
Irish, it's Big Brother.
The name of my second nomination is Cameron.
Oh!
Boy, great and intelligent 18-year-old who I look up to. But at the same time, I think
What?
being moody and constantly negative,
Ah.
open-minded things, it will start having an effect on people in the house. You know, we got to get up and get on with it.
Oh, looks like a
And we need to
Jedi.
make sure that, you know, we're constantly positive. And
We
that's
need
the
to make
reason
sure
my
we're
second
constantly
nomination.
positive. Fuck off, mate.
Happy, happy house.
Fuck that.
This whole couch life is kind of good.
Couch life. That's my life.
Sounds like Lewis G.
Thomas is like Robert
Go
Smith.
to the question.
Looks good.
Oh, he's back.
This is Big Brother. Would Brooke come to the dark rooms?
Oh, thank you. This is good.
Kenley's hair looks like it's from the 80s.
I like it. Kennedy always looks good. Apart from sometimes when she's got no makeup on, she looks a bit,
fucking
rough.
nomination.
a little
Should
bit,
be
but
aggressive.
when she's dolled up, she looks great.
Maybe the lyric to go faster then.
What?
My
No
first
idea.
nomination is
Tell Lewis to go faster. Oh, no, sure.
Kay.
K's for sure.
Kay. I just think that she
Akeem,
doesn't
I think she'll
make
do.
much of an
Oh, do you?
effort to be
Yeah.
friends with everyone. And I try and bring her in.
Yeah, I
try
think you're probably
always
right,
and
'cause
say, just come and sit with us, come and get to know
she's
us.
not
got any
got any
feelings with
Just come and
Akeem,
listen.
right?
She'll
Well,
do it
quite a few
occasionally,
people that nominate
but a lot
Akeem,
of
I
the time
think.
she's
Yeah.
not with us and she doesn't spend much time with me. We'll just have like one conversation.
Do you like her
every
like
couple of
choker,
days.
like a dog collar,
I
isn't
do.
it?
I do
A
actually.
close
I like
enough
that.
friendships for me to like know that she wants
Put
to
on a
kind
lead.
of be a friend, be like a real friend.
I don't mean it in a bad way. I think that's fun.
Yeah, like that task.
I feel like he is very much in it for himself.
Louisa
when it
Zisman
comes
and
to
everyone.
tasks and
No,
when
she
it
put
comes
Thomas
to
up.
anything competitive.
Does she?
He likes to influence everything and then get an extra
I forgot
life.
about this, pissed everyone off.
Oh, he's too competitive.
Yeah.
Because he likes the power. He kind of loses all concept of loyalties and friendships.
got a
And
list.
just kind of
Concept.
throws people under the bus.
I
Under the
don't
bus.
comment on people's lists
watched
because
the
I
video.
get a lisp occasionally.
Coming on.
Under the buff.
Kid.
Under the buff.
Bring me my medicine.
I can't be bothered.
I bet because she got nominated, she wants to leave now.
Are they going to announce it in
What is she doing?
today's episode?
Don't
though?
know.
Something's from Dan. It might be suitable for broadcast because it's about Kay, I think.
Oh,
we
go on.
risk
Then.
it?
Can always delete it if not.
She gives me crazy ex-girlfriend vibes.
How long is it then?
Like, Kay is the type of person that will wait until her boyfriend moves on and then just write, like, bitch on her car in, like, blood. Or just, like, fucking pump animal shit through the poor person's letterbox. Or just,
Doing?
Washing up a
Looks
bit.
like he's pouring
slash
animal
your tyres and just, I don't know, like, just put soap in your plug sockets. Like, she's one of those fucking nut jobs like that.
I agree with that.
Put soap in your plug sockets.
Shall we pause because it's a break?
That wasn't Dan's finest.
Can you get some wine?
Yeah.
I think I agree with him.
He's so tired, I can tell.
Oh, so are we. Yeah. Gaz has gone to get wine.
In the shop.
2:53 p.m. The housemates have been nominating for the past 31
That's a
minutes.
nerve ball.
The next
Worried you're
housemate
coming
to
after him with a
nominate
carving knife.
is Cameron.
Could you give the name of your first nomination and
Akeem.
explain your reasons for this nomination?
Kay.
First
Thomas.
nomination is
Is he going to nominate
Kay.
Thomas?
No.
I just
Might.
think that we're two people that aren't going to ever 100% get on. We're two majorly different people. She's sort of not prepared to budge or sort of. I like people who are willing to debate their issues and not just come down.
I'll debate
straight
my
away
issues
on
with you,
somebody
Cameron,
who
dear.
has a different opinion and question their integrity and their empathy.
It's
and I
not
just
about
think there's a lot of,
integrity with his
stuff
little
that she's
floppy
doing
hat
that's
on
not
criticising
across
women.
genuine at all.
Fuck off.
My second nomination is, unfortunately, it's going to have to be Akeem.
Yeah, I told
really hate
you.
arrogance,
Called
and I thought
it.
He came across very arrogant
Called
earlier
it.
in the week when he stood up to about four of us and said, you know, I'm going to make it my
Cheers,
plan
mate.
and my job
You're
to
welcome.
get Lewis G out of the house. And I just thought to myself, who do you think you are?
Yeah,
And how do you
job
think
done.
that you're going to be able to get somebody out of the house? It's just total
Lewis G.
arrogance.
Yeah.
And then I was having a conversation
He
with a
did
couple
it.
of people in the kitchen. He didn't listen. He just interjected and asked a question that had already
Akeem had
been
nothing
answered.
to do with
And
that.
then when I
Isaac
No.
wrote his
he
own,
stood there
Lewis G
smiling.
wrote his
I
own
find it
eviction.
quite
He
rude
did.
when somebody's getting
Blood.
agitated, you don't smile back at them. It's rude and it's asking for somebody to react.
Lewis
much
G
more
used to
negative way.
smile
I
at people
thought with
all
the
the
connection
time
we
when he was
made,
arguing with
that he
them.
was better than that,
And he
would
was
be
alright,
as disrespectful
according to this
as
idiot.
he was in that situation.
I like smiling at someone I've
Okay,
argued
my
with
first
them.
nomination is Isaac.
Makes you, like, makes them feel that you're right.
Oh, look.
Big coin task. He seemed fine until like the
He
leaderboard was
nominated
announced,
Isaac
he
for
managed
bringing
to figure
doom and
out how
gloom.
much was taken from him, and he seemed to
Yeah.
put a lot of blame on Zoe for taking some. Yes, she did.
He
take
did
fun,
take that
but
quite
other
badly.
people took a lot. He should have just handled it.
He
a bit
did.
better.
He
It's
was
not
being a right
ideal to
friend.
see my best friend in the house upset. That kind of upsets me. My second nomination is Kay.
Yes, good.
She's very unsure in this experience. I don't see her lasting the run.
Oh,
I feel
not a
like
sympathy
I have to, like,
vote.
put energy into her to make her, you know, see things good, and you know, I have to really, you know, get inside her mind and, you know, get on her level. And
Someone
see
I
what
know
she
on
sees
Twitter
in
said
terms
they
of- I don't mind
auditioned
if
and
I
they can't
be
watch
quite
this season because they didn't get
empathic
on.
I know they
with people.
feel.
It seems to be a lot more
I said
consistent
you
as
should
of
try and
late
watch
that
it if you
Kay
can.
is struggling
Yeah,
with
get
those
over it,
She
won't
said, I won't
Need
say
a
who it
little
was,
bit
but
of
she was in
reassurance, right?
auditions
We're gonna
with
be okay.
Lewis.
When Kay gets into a state of
Not
distress,
Lewis,
she can
Isaac.
be quite hard to control.
Okay. Someone that I'm aware of on Twitter or
I
not?
don't know. It was in a DM, so I won't say.
Oh, right.
I've probably said too much already.
Probably. I didn't know Laurie applied for Big Brother UK.
This is Big Brother. Would Isaac come to the diary?
I would actually.
Kenley looks like she's been caught out in the rain.
Right this week. Yeah, I don't feel good.
Probably because everyone's getting on so well.
Everyone's getting on so well. What a joke.
Sour face.
Nomination is Kay. I
Oh,
think she
brings a lot of negativity to the group.